Hey guys, Leanne here on GradysMom. Happy Friday. I'm going to show you what I got from Trader Joe's this week. I also got a few things at BJ's because I was down in Albany and there was a BJ's right near the Trader Joe's. I'm going to start with Trader Joe's stuff first. So I grabbed these ghost pepper potato chips for my brother. He loves anything and everything with ghost pepper. So I got him these because he stops at our house probably like once every 2 weeks when he's on his way to visit my parents. I also got these Ghost and Bat crispy potato snacks. They're like little thin, they almost look kind of Pringle-ish, sort of, but maybe a little bit more like light and airy. Little chips. I thought they'd be fun to put out for football and see if Grady would be into them. I got the Trader Joe's low-fat. This is the berry and cherry yogurt stick tubes, so I can give these to Grady. He likes them in the morning, or sometimes I pack him this for his snack for school. I got the Trader Joe's Nutty Chocolate Chewy Coated and Drizzled Granola Bars. These are rolled oats, Rice Crisps, and peanut butter and chocolate. Matt likes those, and then I got Matt, he likes these the best. They're the vanilla almond granola bars as well, so he's going to be very happy about that. I did go ahead and get 7 cards. I talk about this all the time. You cannot find a better greeting card than Trader Joe's. They're 99 cents. I know you can get cards at like the Dollar Tree, but I just think these are better quality. They're just better cards, and they're 99 cents. So I got a birthday card for my girlfriend coming up. I got a birthday card for another friend next month. I got a blank card to write a letter to one of my friends. I got another blank card for another friend. I got a birthday card for another friend next month, and a birthday card for a friend in December, and then another birthday card as well for a friend next month as well. I have a lot of fall and winter birthdays as far as friends and family. I grabbed these spring rolls in shrimp. They come with the peanut dipping sauce. I've had these before. They're not phenomenal, but they're good, and they give me my shrimp roll fix because I love a good shrimp spring roll, so they're okay. I thought I would use it for a quick lunch for myself next week. I also got these tempura shrimp crunch rolls. These are with a sweet sauce and a tempura sauce, and these have no fish. They're just shrimp and crab, and I actually do eat shellfish. I just don't eat fish. So I thought those would be good for like a little snack or like a lunch as well. I got this dual pack of these little like salami sticks for my husband's lunch. I got some Trader Joe's marinara because I'm going to do eggplant parm next week, so I wanted to have this since I haven't had time yet to make a batch of marinara sauce. I got the big bag of the Ercover French cut green beans. I absolutely love these. This would be in like my top 10 list of items at Trader Joe's. I absolutely love this. It's a 24-ounce bag, and it's $1.99. They are some of the best green beans I've had that are frozen. I got a couple of these chicken spring rolls. They're just white meat chicken with basil, garlic, and ginger, and I'll make a quick dipping sauce. These will be good to have for football on Sunday. I got some veggie fried rice to go along with mandarin orange chicken. I'm actually going to make this next week as well because my sister has never had this. I don't think she's, oh yeah, she's been to Trader Joe's. She's just never had this, and I always tell her about it. So she's coming over for dinner one night next week, so I'm going to make this with this, and I also have some edamame in my freezer downstairs, so that'll be a dinner next week. My friend Jen Chapin here on YouTube, if you're not following her, you should, because she makes amazing food prep videos and just really good content in general. She always talks about this 21 seasoning salute in her meal prep videos, and I decided to try it. I've always overlooked it, but I'm going to try that out. I also got some Trader Joe's fried onions because next month, with Thanksgiving being about a month away, I'm going to do green bean casserole, and I wanted to make sure I had these because these are an ingredient that I tend to forget when it's not that time of year. I did get some nuts. I got the roasted and salted pecan halves. I looked for a lower sodium one, but didn't see it, so I went with these. I do prefer the lower sodium. When it comes to nuts, I got these pumpkin spiced pumpkin seeds. My husband requested these because he loves pumpkin seeds. I also got this rice cracker medley. It says a mix of baked rice crackers with soy, salt, and vinegar in a chili wasabi green peas. And I thought this would be good to snack on as well. It's no fat, which is nice. Pretty low in calories, so I'm always looking for little snack things that aren't really fattening. I also got the large bag of the 50% less salt, dry roasted, and salted almonds. I actually think these taste better than the regular salt ones. So I'm gonna go ahead this week and make some like trail mix sort of nut bags for food prep this week with these 3 items and then some other things. I got some organic beef broth for a recipe, the eggplant that I need for eggplant parmesan next week, these little teeny tiny baby potatoes, which are so cute. I got those. I got these maple leaf cookies, so it says it's a cookie with maple cream filling. So I thought that was something different. I got these beef cabbage rolls, the simmered cabbage filled with seasoned beef, rice, and veggies. For the freezer, I thought this would be a good lunch option for myself too. I got a big thing of pulled pork because next week I'm gonna do some pulled pork sandwiches, and I haven't had pulled pork in a long time. It looked good. So I'm gonna go ahead and make this next week, probably with these roasted potatoes, and then do pulled pork sandwiches for dinner, which will be nice. And then if there's any left, Matt can take one for work the next day. I got a bag of avocados because I've been loving making salads lately, and I love putting these with my salads and also having them with eggs. I got some brown eggs here. I also grabbed this Hatch chili mac and cheese. I love anything with Hatch chili, and this is with cheddar, which I prefer, so I got this again just like this for an option on a day when I'm stuck home working, especially with winter and the snow right around the corner. I want to have things like this that I can just grab in my freezer and heat up when I'm home at work. I think that is everything from Trader Joe's. It was $100 and change. It was like $100.40 or something, which is perfect because I only wanted to spend $100 there. Since if you guys saw, I put up a random haul earlier this week. We pretty much went over our grocery budget last week with that random haul. So this week I wanted to make sure I stayed around $100 at Trader Joe's. And again, I went to BJ's because when we went earlier this week or last week, we actually forgot to get beverages. So I did get some Arizona half and half. This is the slim can, iced tea, lemonade. We love this stuff year round. And it's a great deal. I think it's about $8.99 or $9.99 for 30 of these. And then we also got the Propel electrolyte water beverage. We love these, especially me and my son. So it comes with watermelon, kiwi, strawberry, and berry. There's 8 of each. And I believe these are about $9.99 for a 24 pack, which is a great deal because you can buy one of these at like Walmart for like $1. So $9.99 for this. And then my son absolutely loves Thomas the Train, and he also loves like pillow pets and stuffed animals. So this is a Thomas pillow pet. You can actually take the Velcro off here and it turns into a pretty good sized pillow. It's actually a pretty large pillow. When I opened it up, I was pretty impressed. But yeah, I got this at BJ's. They're called pillow pets. I know a lot of kids out there love stuffed animals and pillow pets. So I thought I would share this because they had all different characters, girls and boys characters. Although I think Thomas is kind of neutral. I know a lot of little girls that like Thomas as well. But this pillow was about $18.50, I think. But again, once you open it up, it's pretty big, and my son is absolutely going to love this. His birthday is coming up next month, so I want to go ahead and wrap this up and hide it away for his birthday. So that is everything I got for the week. Let me go ahead now and show you my meal plan for the upcoming week. P.S. guys, normally I get a lot of veggies at Trader Joe's, but this week the reason why I didn't is because I have a lot of veggies. I went to Aldi last week as well, so my top veggie drawer, I have like cucumbers, I've got peppers, I've got onions, celery, carrots, I've got zucchini, I've got tons of stuff in here. And then the drawer underneath, I've got plenty of lettuce, I've got plenty, I still have cabbage, I have kale from my mom's garden, I have green beans, so I do have a good amount of produce between the two drawers, which is why I didn't get more produce at Trader Joe's. Normally I would have. Alright guys, so I ran out of pages, like normal meal planning pages in my Carrie Elle planner. I continue to get questions about this. For those who are new, I always have a review on this in the description box, and I have a permanent discount code with her. But since there are all these extra pages in the back, I thought I would just use them for my meal plans until I run out, and then I can order a new one. So for the upcoming week, Sunday is football day. I believe we're going to be at my parents' most of the day, but by the time we get home, it'll be like the 4 o'clock game, so I'll just make a bunch of football food, like hot and cold appetizers. One night we're going to have that Trader Joe's pulled pork on brioche buns. I have some brioche rolls in my freezer, and then I'll make those mini little roasted potatoes. One night I'm going to do some chili dogs. I have both beef hot dogs frozen, and I also have some chili that I froze. So why not make chili dogs? And I'll put some cheese and I'll make some oven fries. My sister's coming next week, so I'm going to do that Trader Joe's orange chicken with the vegetable fried rice. And then I have some edamame frozen in the basement, so I'll pull that out and thaw it up and make that. For no meat next week, I'm going to do eggplant parmesan with pasta. Friday I'm going to do, or one day, I'm going to do my white turkey chili in the crock pot. I have a recipe on that. I'll link it down below. And then next Saturday, which is the 27th, I actually have to work in the morning just for a few hours for Planet Organics, the salad dressing company. So I'm either going to throw something in the crock pot or I'll do a freebie night. That might be a good night to do leftovers because this white turkey chili makes a good amount. So I'll just figure out next week, later in the week, if I need to make something in the crock pot before I go to work in the morning. It's just for a few hours, or I can just do a freebie night and do breakfast for dinner or something like that. But yes, this is the meal plan for the upcoming week. I hope you guys enjoyed it, and I will see you very soon in my next video. Bye, guys.